Back in 2022, researchers proved for the first time that getting hangry is a real thing. Hangry is obviously a portmanteau of hungry and angry. In a study of about 64 people's food patterns and emotions through the day, psychologists actually found that the more hungry people felt, the more angry or hangry they become. There is a link.
There is definitely a link. A lot of us, including me, can vouch for it. But now this may not be news to a lot of us. Very much, feel that surge of uncontrollable emotion every time we miss a meal. But the trickiest part is when you are so-called hangry, one tends to crave for sugar. You crave cookies, pastries, chocolates or noodles. Again, every sugary snack available out there or anything that will sort of spike your glucose index. Now further, it sort of goes into raising your blood sugar as well. So what can you do about it? What's the right way to prep yourself through the day कि ये गुस्सा कहीं ज़्यादा ना हो जाए और किसी और के ऊपर आपकी भूख का गुस्सा ना निकल जाए? This is our why factor. Take a look.
Out of all the whys in the world, from why is the sky blue to why do cats purr, today we are going to talk about one of the most common whys. Why do we feel hungry? But first, let's find out what happens when people feel hungry.
I feel like slapping everyone.
When I get hungry, I feel like stealing someone's lunch.
Valerie, what happens when you feel hungry?
Angry.
Yes, being hungry is a real thing and not just meant for meals. Research says as you go about your day, the hungrier you get, the more irritable and angry you feel. But why? Well, the answer lies inside our beautifully complex brain. When we haven't eaten for a while, our blood sugar levels drop. This triggers a series of chemical reactions in our brains, leading to the release of stress hormones, which can affect mood and emotions, making us feel more irritable and easily frustrated. But how does it happen? Let's understand the scientific reason from our nutritionist in detail.
So let's understand why do we get hungry. That happens when we haven't eaten for a very long time. जब हम बहुत लंबे समय तक खाना नहीं खाते हैं या कोई स्नैक नहीं लेते हैं, the glucose level drops down. Now glucose क्या है? Glucose is your primary source of energy. Now जब वो brain पे affect होता है because there is no enough glucose, the brain is getting affected. So that is how हमें क्या लगता है कि हम ना थोड़ा foggy, like we can't understand, कोई चीज़ जल्दी से समझ नहीं आती, foggy brain जिसको बोलते हैं, और हमारा mood जो है वो थोड़ा unnecessarily हम irritate होना शुरू हो जाते हैं, we're not productive. जो बच्चे हैं वो memorize नहीं कर पाते, उनको याद नहीं होता जो वो पढ़ रहे होते हैं. So this all things they trigger the stress hormone, that is cortisol, and that is why we start getting more mood swings, we start getting irritable, we start getting frustrated.
Now we all can agree to one thing, hunger अच्छो को बदल देता है. But is there a way of controlling our sudden bursts of hunger pangs? The answer is a yes.
So let's learn how to manage this and not get hungry again and again. सबसे पहले तो whenever you're stepping out of the house, make sure that you've eaten a good breakfast. खाली पेट घर से मत जाइए. Don't skip meals. Some people do not have breakfast, so do not skip that. Now between your meals, that is breakfast and lunch and dinner, make sure that you're also doing a mid-meal snack. Now when I'm talking about mid-meal snack, it has to be healthy. हेल्दी मतलब घर से कैरी करिए, स्प्राउट्स कैरी कर लो, काला चना का चाट कैरी कर लो, और यू कुड कैरी छाछ, नींबू पानी, फ्रूट्स, एनी ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. एंड इफ यू थिंक कि नहीं ये रेगुलरली मैं कैरी नहीं कर सकता, सम थिंग्स इन योर ऑफिस स्टोर यू कैन कीप लाइक रोस्टेड ग्राम्स, मखाना, some almonds, cashews or some dates, raisins. That is also a good option. But do not get into a habit of eating something junk, okay, like biscuit हो गया, you are going and having a cup of tea or coffee, or going for a smoke because you feel that your energy levels are dropped down. So right selection of food is also very, very important here. 2 is include protein in your diet. Yes, breakfast हो गया, mid meals हो गए, lunch हो गया, you have to have protein because that will again help you maintaining that, stabilizing your glucose level. And 3 is stay hydrated. Yes, it's very important to stay hydrated. So drink 10 to 12 glasses of water, even it is monsoons, winters, but make sure that you're having sufficient water. So I hope these points are going to help you and not make you hungry but happy.
So the next time you find yourself or someone sitting next to you feeling hungry, remember they are not being a diva. Now you know the why. Remember to keep snacking throughout the day lest you bite off someone's head out of hunger.
All right then, hangry मत हो यार, angry होना है तो हो जाओ on a legitimate reason. Give your stomach the food they need.
Okay, let's take you now from this to something very exciting, something that definitely won't leave you hungry or angry. We're taking you to the Paris Olympics updates in just a short while right after this break, as another shooter has earned laurels for the country. His story, what he's done and what lies ahead, all of that on the other side.